So in this video you're going to see how we're going to install the FIA roll cage in the E91 WTCC car. The cage is not just for looks, but it's for safety, and if you want to go around the racetrack, it really stiffens up the chassis. But before we start, I want to thank you all for watching the first episode. We got a lot of comments on the video, which was amazing, was a little bit overwhelming, but I loved it. So continue watching the series because the next couple episodes are going to be amazing. It's going to be booming. Let's get to the video now. Welcome back, guys. This is episode number 2. So today we've been stripping the car a little bit more, which means that we took the dashboard out, we took all the doors out, we stripped the rear hatch that you did together with Kevin, which was a pain in the ass to do. All the wiring is being stripped out right now as well. Then it's going to be the tank, it's going to be some bottom plates on the car, then it goes for cage building. So as you can see, we've taken out a little bit more space in the back. The rear tub is fully out, which means we can create a little bit more space for the rear exhaust. So the exhaust, just like the WTCC one, is going to be a little bit outside of the middle, 2 nice thick ones, and it's going to be pretty much close to the original WTCC car. So today, Jeremy, also Tim, and you, Kevin, you've been stripping out the interior a little bit more, which means that all the wiring is all here. So what the goal is obviously the dashboard is out. So we're going to strip all the wiring and we put it all the way here, which means that we have more space for the roll cage. But doing all the wiring also means that we can take away some wires that we don't need, which is pretty much a struggle because here at HQ we don't know everything about the E91. So Google is our best friend. We're going to make it work, and we're going to make sure that in the end, if the engine swap is done as well, then that the whole dash works and everything is okay. So during my trip in the UK, luckily Kevin was nice enough to take the bumper off, which he thought was like a 5-minute job like the E36 and E46, but it took way longer. It probably took 4 or 5 hours to take the front bumper off. It was a pain in the ass.
It was only an hour, but fine.
80% of the hardware we have left comes from the front bumper. So it's insane how to take it off. All right, so the next step, the car is going to be on the ramp. We're going to take all the bottom plates off. We're going to take the tank out, which is needed for the roll cage. But we also found out that the diff housing and the diff subframe and everything is pretty rusted. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to make it as new. And I think that's the next step. After that, the car is going to go on the trailer, goes to rolbeugels.nl, very Dutch company, and they're going to make the FIA cage for us. So finally the car is outside. It's been in the garage for over a week and we've been working on it every night to clean it on the inside, to make everything as clean as possible, removed all the brackets, made sure that everything is perfect before it goes to painting. But before it goes to painting, it's going to go to the roll cage builder first. So we're going to load up the car right now. We're going to transport it to rolbeugels.nl where he's going to do his magic, and we're going to show you everything, how it's going to be installed. And after that, we're going to show you the result of the cage. So today we're here to see how far the roll cage is at rolbeugels.nl. Gerwin is installing the cage right now, so he asked us to come over and take a look, and I'm super excited to see what's going on here. So yes, the goal was to make it as close as possible to the WTCC car, but unfortunately, if you're looking into the rules of the FIA, it needs to be different. And especially the sizes and everything need to be different. The ABC style, they need to be 45 now. They used to be 40. The main hoop was already 45 in the past as well, and it's still 45. But there are a couple more additions to it that he installed on this car specifically just to give the cage more of the same look and feel of the WTCC car, and we're going to show you right now. So even though this is an FIA approved cage, it's still made by hand. So no 3D scanning, no nothing, just Karen who does everything. So he also makes the gussets by hand, which is super unique because every edge, every corner is different. So he'll make it perfectly for this car. I'm so excited to see the result. I can't wait to have the car painted. But first it needs to go back to the factory. Then we're gonna work on the car a little bit more, put on the wide body, and then painting is next. So after a couple days, it's finally the day that the car is coming back from the cage builder. We're super excited. The car just arrived. We're gonna unload it and we're gonna shoot some footage of it. So I would say this is the end of episode number 2. The car is back in. We're gonna work on the car. For episode 3, we're gonna install the body kit, which is gonna be a disaster, I think, because the front is gonna be easy, but the rears, because it's a wagon, is gonna be horrendous, I think. So let's see episode 3, and we'll see you there.